doing? All the puppies are playing with their Auntie Brill. Let's hope she doesn't hurt her. Hey, Brill. What's going on? What? Now be nice. You know I want to hurt the puppies. I think Sophie's over here and she's going to get upset in a minute. Oh, I know. He's so cute. They think you're mommy, but you're not mommy, so I'm going to have to go get mommy because they're hungry. Poor old Brill. Brill! 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 You're not even going to listen to mommy this morning because I'm too busy, she said, playing with the puppies. Okay, I'm going to stop this for now.